Hi, my name is Mattie, and for my Google SketchUp final project, I made a pool. When I made this pool, I used a few different tools. The first tool I used was the offset tool, and I used that when I made the pool to measure the distance between the brick and the water. The next tool I used was the paint tool, which is the paint bucket, and I used that to paint the walls of the snack bar and also the sign. The next tool I used was the rotate tool, and I use that tool a lot because when you build stuff in Google SketchUp, like furniture and stuff like that, it's very helpful if you build it upside down and then rotate it to be the right direction. Another tool I used was the measure tool, and I used that tool to measure the distance between the wall and the ground to make sure it was a good length. Another tool I used was the move copy tool with option, and I used that when I made all 4 of the chairs. The last tool I used was the dimension box tool, and I used that tool to scale everything to a good size. When I made my Google SketchUp, I had a lot of different components, and I had 10 shapes. As you can see, I had 3 circles about for the table and the window, and also I had a lot of rectangles and squares for the door and the window and the door and the window and the sign and the pool and stuff like that. And then I had, for components, I had the table, the 4 chairs, the pool, the diving board with steps, the snack bar with the sign and the windows and the door and all that kind of stuff. I had over 5 textures. I had the grass, the brick, the wood, the water for the pool, the concrete, and also the roofing. I had a few colors. I had the peach walls, the white diving board, the blue sign, the dark blue words, and also I had the doorknob. To see my model from all different angles, I can zoom out and rotate around. As you can see, I have lots of windows and stuff like that. So that's my Google SketchUp.